Foldable phones are getting more popular and fancy, with every brand launching their folding smartphones. There are a lot of great options on the market. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best foldable phones. So, if you're thinking about getting a foldable phone, this video is for you. All the links to the products with best prices will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are not in exact order. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is the latest and greatest foldable phone from Motorola. It features a number of improvements over its predecessor, including a larger and more durable cover display, a more powerful processor, and a better camera system. It has a 6.7-inch OLED main screen with a resolution of 2800 by 1440 pixels and a 3.6-inch OLED cover screen with a resolution of 800 by 600 pixels, which makes it more useful for checking notifications, responding to messages, and even using some apps. The hinge of the smartphone is also redesigned to be more robust, and the phone is IP52 rated for dust and water resistance. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor and has 12 GB of RAM. The smartphone also comes with triple lens rear camera system with a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultrawide sensor, and a 12MP telephoto sensor. The front-facing camera of the Razr 40 Ultra is of 32MP. The phone has a 4000 mAh battery and support 100W fast charging. The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is a high-end premium foldable smartphone that is powered by Qualcomm's latest and most powerful processor, and it has a versatile camera system that is capable of taking great photos and videos. Google Pixel Fold. The Google Pixel Fold is Google's first foldable smartphone. It has a sleek design, a powerful processor, and a great camera system. The Pixel Fold ships with Android 13 out of the box. This means that you'll get all the latest features and security updates from Google. The Pixel Fold also has a number of exclusive software features, such as the ability to use two apps side by side on the inner display. It comes with a 7.6-inch OLED main screen with a resolution of 2280 by 1800 pixels and a 5.8-inch OLED cover screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The foldable smartphone is powered by the Google Tensor processor and has 12 GB of RAM. It has a triple lens rear camera system with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide sensor, and a 48MP telephoto sensor. The front-facing camera is 11.1MP. The phone also comes 4600 mAh battery and support 33W fast charging. The Google Pixel Fold is a high-end foldable smartphone that is committed to offer a great user experience. It is powered by Google's own Tensor processor, which is known for its efficiency and performance. It also has a versatile camera system that is capable of taking great photos and videos. The phone also comes with a long battery life, which is important for a foldable phone. Oppo Find N2 Flip. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is a clamshell foldable smartphone that was released in February 2023. It is Oppo's first foldable smartphone, and it is one of the most impressive folding phones on the market. The Find N2 Flip has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display on the inside, with a resolution of 2640 by 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The display is bright and sharp, and the crease is less noticeable than on other foldable phones. The outside of the phone has a 3.26-inch AMOLED display, which is larger than the cover displays on other foldable phones. This makes it more useful for checking notifications, taking selfies, and using other features without having to open the phone. The Find N2 Flip is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus processor, which is a flagship-level chip. The phone has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Performance is excellent, and the phone can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The Find N2 Flip has a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultrawide camera on the back. The front-facing camera is a 32MP sensor. The camera system takes good photos in most lighting conditions, but it is not as good as the camera systems on some other flagship smartphones. The Find N2 Flip has a 4300 mAh battery, which is slightly smaller than the batteries on other foldable phones. However, the battery life is still good, and most users should be able to get through a full day on a single charge. Overall, the Oppo Find N2 Flip is an excellent foldable smartphone. It has a great design, a powerful processor, and a good camera system. The phone is also relatively affordable, making it a great option for people who are looking for a foldable phone without having to spend a lot of money. Huawei Mate XS2. The Huawei Mate XS2 is a unique foldable smartphone with an outward folding display. It's one of the few foldables on the market that doesn't have a visible crease, and it's also one of the most expensive. The display is the most impressive features of this smartphone. It has a 7.8-inch OLED main screen with a resolution of 2480 by 2200 pixels and a 6.5-inch OLED cover screen with a resolution of 2152 by 1148 pixels. The display has 120 Hz refresh rate, and it is also very bright and colorful, making it ideal for watching videos, playing games, and browsing the web. It is powered by the Snapdragon 888 4G processor and has 8 GB of RAM. It also has a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultrawide sensor, and an 8MP telephoto sensor. The front-facing camera is 10MP. The phone has a 4,600 mAh battery and supports 66W fast charging. The Huawei Mate XS2 is a high-end foldable smartphone that offers a large and immersive display, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system. It is a good option for users who are looking for a premium foldable phone. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the latest and greatest foldable phone from Samsung, and it's a significant improvement over its predecessor. It has a more durable design, a better display, and more powerful cameras. The Z Fold 5 has a more refined and durable design than the Z Fold 4. The hinge has been redesigned to be more durable and to reduce the gap between the two halves of the phone when it's closed. The phone is also slightly lighter and thinner, making it more comfortable to hold and carry. It has a 7.6-inch foldable AMOLED display on the inside and a 6.2-inch cover display on the outside. Both displays are bright, sharp, and have excellent viewing angles. The foldable display has a slightly reduced crease compared to the Z Fold 4, but it's still noticeable, especially in bright light. The smartphone also comes with a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide sensor, and a 10MP telephoto sensor. The cameras take excellent photos and videos in both good and low light. The front-facing camera has also been improved, and it now has a 40MP sensor. The Z Fold 5 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and 12 GB of RAM. It's one of the fastest phones on the market, and it can handle any task with ease. The phone also has a large 4,400 mAh battery that can easily last a full day on a single charge. The device runs on Android 13 with Samsung's One UI 5.0 skin. So, these are the best foldable smartphones of 2023. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. All links to the products are in the description box below. See you on the next video. Take care.